EasyPM is a functional module of EasyFlow and TTS Pro that provides integrated project management functionality. Through its interactive Gantt chart, managers are able to create tasks and associate a task with development work items. The Gantt chart and risk assessment tools provide real-time status of the progress of the development team. Unlike single-purpose project management tools, EasyPM is integrated into the development workflow. As such, high-level project info and low-level development and system testing related info is all interchangeable and readily available to all project members. This means EasyPM makes a project more visible, facilitates better communication, and enables managers to manage risks more effectively. Due to the customizability of EasyFlow, there are a lot of ways to organize work. For this demo, we will use one of the more common ways. First, let's understand the structure we will use for tasks and tracking tickets. Task and child tasks are project-level items, while the tracking tickets are the development-level work items. Let's pretend that I'm a manager, and I have just envisioned a new feature called Feature XYZ. I create a high-level task. To track all of the work of implementing Feature XYZ, I create an associated master ticket. For Feature XYZ, I create 3 child tasks: requirements, development, and testing. Then create a ticket for each of the 3 child tasks. The work of these child tasks is then divided up into many tracking tickets. Let's see how this would be implemented through EasyPM. I open the Gantt chart for this release. At the release level, I add a new child task. This is Feature XYZ. The information for this task is not very helpful yet. That's because this information is auto-calculated based on the child tasks and their associated development tickets. From here, I can create a master ticket for Feature XYZ. The default ticket fields are self-explanatory. However, there is an important distinction between deadline, as seen on the ticket, and end date, as seen on the Gantt chart. Here we assign a deadline, which is the date that this feature must be completed by. We can now see that the master ticket is associated with the task. I repeat this process 3 times to create the child tasks for Feature XYZ. The work items of the child tasks are created through the normal ticket creation process by associating the tickets with the master ticket of its task. As people complete work on individual tracking tickets, their progress is seen on the tasks. From the Gantt chart, I can see the percent completion of a task. This percent completion is a weighted average of all the tracking tickets under this task. The percent completion of the high-level task is calculated based on the completion of its child tasks. This means that as a manager, I can see the progress of my team without asking them. This is done in real time, which makes it optimally efficient. No longer will you waste time sitting in long meetings, updating your team's progress on a printout that you will later transfer to your system. Automatic information transfer allows for easier management of distributed development teams. The end dates of tasks are automatically taken as the furthest end date of any subtask. This allows managers to see a realistic end date for an entire task. All EasyFlow users can see the Gantt chart. This means that all team members have a clear picture of the dependencies and timelines of each task, and therefore the whole project process. The Gantt chart can be configured to your local language. It is color-coded to warn of tasks that are past their end date. EasyPM data can be imported and exported via XML, which makes it compatible with Microsoft Project and OpenProject. The low-level tracking tickets are not shown on the Gantt chart. This is to abstract this information from people that are not concerned with nitpicky details. If a task is falling behind, though, and I want to find out the cause, I can do so by viewing the risk assessment for the task. This shows me all related tracking tickets and their progress. Risk assessment is also color-coded to emphasize tickets that are in danger. If I want to have up-to-the-minute updates about the progress of my team, I can do so through the dashboard. In the separate dashboard window, I can view risk assessment and the Gantt chart. EasyPM integrates project management with the implementation of the project. Data is free to flow between developers and managers. Managers can see development status in real time, and developers can view the updated project plan. The automatic information transfer allows the entire development team to work more efficiently. For more information, visit our website.